Trezor Wallet versus Trust Wallet. Which crypto wallet is better? Links to both products are in the description. In this video, we'll dive into the features, target users, and strengths of these two wallets, helping you determine which suits your needs. Trezor Wallet is a hardware wallet designed for users who prioritize security above all. It keeps your private keys offline, protecting them from hacking attempts. Trezor supports a vast array of cryptocurrencies, over 1,000, and offers compatibility with multiple software wallets like Exodus and MetaMask. With features like password management, FIDO2 authentication, and robust recovery options, it's ideal for long-term investors or those holding substantial amounts of crypto. However, as a hardware wallet, it requires a USB connection and isn't as convenient for everyday transactions or users on the go. Trust Wallet, in contrast, is a mobile software wallet that caters to a wide range of users with its versatility and ease of use. It supports a broad spectrum of cryptocurrencies and tokens across multiple blockchains, making it perfect for those who frequently interact with decentralized apps, dApps, DeFi platforms, or NFTs. Trust Wallet is entirely free, non-custodial, and integrates seamlessly with decentralized exchanges like PancakeSwap and Uniswap. It also offers staking options for select assets, allowing users to earn passive income. However, as a hot wallet, Trust Wallet is connected to the internet, which poses a slightly higher security risk compared to offline storage. In summary, Trezor Wallet is best for those who prioritize maximum security and long-term holding, especially for significant crypto investments. Meanwhile, Trust Wallet is ideal for active traders, DeFi enthusiasts, and users who need a versatile, mobile-friendly solution. The choice ultimately depends on your crypto habits and security requirements. Check out the links in the description for more details, and let us know in the comments which wallet you prefer.